It's only words. It's just vocabulary. Here we go. All right. The next page is your notes. Go ahead and look at those notes. Make sure you put your name on the top so in case it gets misplaced today. Okay, let's play Name That Figure. Here we go. Rolling the dice. Oh, no, got it. Oh, there it is. Which one is a lot of Is it A, B, C, D, E, F? What are you doing?
Wait, do we yell it out or we just
yell it out?
It's
all together.
B.
The segment. So it has to have endpoints, right? You can't keep going on. A and C have arrows going on, so B is the line segment. Okay. All right. Here we go. Which one is the angle? Angle.
D.
It's definitely D, right here. This right here is an angle, right? It's made up of two very specific shapes, which I haven't come up with yet. Okay, here we go. Which one is theta? F. Repeat after me. Theta. Theta represents the angle, right? So this is theta. Here we go. Usually our angle we call theta. I know. It's further. That way you don't have to say angle A, B, C. No, you say angle theta. All right. Here we go. Which one's a ray?
C.
It's definitely C. What makes it a ray? Exactly. It has a starting point and it keeps. Here we go. Nice job, Miss Page. Here we go. This one is a ray. As she said, there is a stopping point and then an arrow that shows the direction. Notice an angle is made up of two rays. Right? An angle is made up of two rays. What else do we got? Oh. E is the vertex. This thing is pointing to where those two rays meet. This is definitely a vertex. Okay. And last but not least, A is a roar. Nope. All right, here we go. Line, because it just keeps on going. Yay? Yay. Okay, here we go. This is where it gets technical. All right. Here we go. On an angle. Okay. On an angle, right? In the XY coordinates, do you know what the middle is called? There's an O. Origin, very good. Usually your vertex is at the origin, right? On a graph, you can find your vertex at the origin. Okay? Now, on a coordinate like this, the initial side is where you start. So the initial side is on the x-axis. Right? So in this picture, this thing right here is the initial side. Initial is just the starting point. It's the starting side. Right? Hi. The terminal side is where it ends. So the other ray is the terminal side. Jerry, don't fall asleep. I promise we'll go fast. All right. Here we go. A positive angle is measured from the terminal side. All of angles are measured from the terminal side to, the initial side to the terminal side. So you start at the initial and you go to the terminal side, and that's what gives you the angle. Okay? A positive angle is measured counterclockwise. Yeah. That's a funny couple.
Meaning from the initial side, if you're like turning to the left, like counterclockwise is the opposite way of the clock, right? So you turn to the left, that's a positive angle. If you're going the other way, for example, if your terminal side is here, right here, and this is your other terminal side, and then you want to measure that way, that is a negative angle. So a negative angle is measured flat. Okay? Okay, give me a number. Somewhere between 0 and 90. Go ahead.
37.
85 is the first one. So if I measure from here to here, this is 85 degrees, right? But if I measure, you have to start at the x-axis, and we go the other way. This is, let's just use the same number. So it'd be, instead of positive 85 degrees, it'd be
Negative.
I knew you know. All right. Yeah. So you have negative. You can have negative degrees. Yes, you can. Oh no. It's okay. Here we go. And a cute angle is anything between 0 and
90.
All right, there we go. And a cute angle is between 0 degrees theta and 90 degrees. It's there. It's up there. Right? They're called baby angles because they're so cute. Okay, here we go. A right angle is an exact measurement. 90, exactly. So a right angle with theta is exactly 90 degrees. Yeah. Okay. Obtuse.
From 91 to 180. Yeah.
Very good. It goes up to 180, but does it include 180?
No.
No, 180 is another special angle. So an obtuse angle is anything that's between 90 and 180. No? Yes, if you can't see, let me know. You can sit up with the computer, let me know. Yeah? If it is 180 degrees, then it's a straight angle. Why is it called straight? It's like because 180 makes it straight. Okay, here we go. So theta is 180 if it's a straight angle. Yay? Okay. Okay. Here we go. If you always give a compliment, then you're always right.
Right.
Yes. If you remember, you're always right. All right. So complementary angles, right? If you have angle A plus angle B, there it is. If you add them up, this is equal 90. So to solve for, let's say, angle A, just take 90 and subtract angle B. Makes sense? Yay. Okay. When you come down the hall and say, what's up, Miss Black? I'm going to say 180, because that's what supplementary. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! There we go. If you have angle A and angle B, they need to add up to 180 to be supplementary. Right? So again, to solve for one of those angles, just subtract it from 180. Isn't trig fun? I love it. I love it. P.S. I only have a few blue sheets, so first come, first served. All right, here we go. It changed to get out of this class. All right, here we go. Let's do it again. Let's do it. You want me to charge for blue sheets? Okay. All right. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. More extra credit. More extra credit for you. All right. This is on a first come, first serve basis. Ooh, I have 10 tries, right? And the number of bananas that you get will be the number of extra credit points on top of crypto for Friday. How's that? Yeah. That's it. Okay. Here we go. All right. Yeah. Okay. So here's how the banana hunt works. Yeah. Okay. So right now the monkey is at what degree? 90. 90. All right. So here we go. The monkey's at 90. Halfway from 0 to 90 is 45. Okay. Here we go. So this is 90. Straight line is 80. If you add 90 more to that, what's that?
So
270 all the way around is a 360 full circle. All right. So let's go back here. If this is 45, the halfway between 90 and 180 is 135. It's 135. Halfway between 180 and 270 is 25. Very nice. And halfway between 270 and 360 is 315. Did you find a pattern? It's all about patterns. Here we go. 45. 135. 225. 315. Yeah. 45, 35, 45, 50. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, here we go. Does anyone want to give it a shot? 145. Extra credit. All you have to do is try. That's it. If you don't get it, it doesn't kill you. You can go on board. The more exact you are, the more bananas you get. Yeah, go for it. Max,
Can I just go up there and just
you can go up there. Yeah. If the monkey doesn't work on the board, you can use the mouse as well.
What is that?
Okay. Use the mouse on the computer. Good. And then when you're ready, go search.
All the bananas.
Great. Doing great.
Fine.
Yep. And then see the monkey face down there, so search.
Yeah, I got a perspective.
Oh, okay.
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 Thank you.
Yay! You got a banana!
What?
All right.
40.
Good job. Yeah,
Dang,
you're
that was
like 5
close.
degrees off. That's all right. That's all right. Okay, here we go. Anybody else want to 160? I'm pretty sure you can do 160. You can do it from the computer if you want to. Yep, first come, first serve. Woo!
Dude, use the mouse, bro. Use the mouse. Yeah.
So this is like 140, right?
Yeah.
So like right here, right? Yeah, more.
Oh.
Right there?
No.
No, that's it.
Ooh. Got two. Nice job, Thomas. All right. Hit next. Who wants to go? Sorry, what's the last one?
Oh yeah, Peter gets some.
6.
Oh my God.
I just
What's that look like?
Nah, that felt like. Yeah, I go a little more.
Here we go.
I like the.
Uh-oh.
That's crazy. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Bro, one banana.
Let's go. Get your extra hand. Somebody hit next so we can see what numbers.
Dude, alright, I got you.
There you go.
Ooh.
One ball. Show me one ball. Come on. You can do it. It's just extra. Get on, Logan! Okay. Drag it. That's 90. About 23 more. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, so close. Nice try, Logan. All right. Stop it. There you go. All right. 5 more. 290. Come on. 290.
Dude, we gotta at least find 50 bananas.
Alright, so that's 180, right? Right? That's good, right? Okay. That's like 3.
There you go.
More? Oh, hold on. You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
I'm trusting you.
Yeah.
If I fail, that's your fault.
Whoa! Nice job, All right, here we go. It's gonna get good. It's gonna be good. All right. 2007. 2007. Here, you got it. Oh.
Can you get more?
Just go. It's okay. If you don't get it, it's not a question.
Can you get more?
Who was that?
Can you get more? Can you get more bananas?
Right in there. Angelina. As you can see, there are people in this class. So what is that?
Dude, you got this.
You can do it. Remember, between 180 and 270 is 225.
Where's
right?
his mouse? Okay, I don't know. Up?
No.
Go down.
Down.
Oh, yeah, what?
225 is
No.
Wait, you said what now?
Remember, between 180 and 270 is 225. They need to be more than halfway.
So more this way.
No, between 180 and 270.
I see. This is why I didn't want to go up.
Hey, listen to the class. They'll tell you. So left or right?
So right now, you're at 270 right now.
Uh-huh.
Just picture, 270.
Okay.
So you want to go with us? No. What's half of 271? 90. So divide by 2. 45. Right? So you split it in half. And then we're at 237, so it's, you got 70.
This is no help at all.
Try it.
Still listening.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try to
It's minus 6.
get this. Uh-oh.
Oh, you were so close.
I was right. I told you we were at 243.
Good. That was close. All right. Here we go. 248.
Oh.
Where
did I say? 243?
You were at 243. You just have no. Max, you already went.
Dang it.
You already went.
I'll do it.
Go.
I'll do it.
Johnny.
I only gotta go like a tiny bit. Wait,
I know.
wait for it.
Just average for 40. So.
Oh, you're more now.
We're down to 2 more tries. Do not let this extra point get away from you. Here we go. 307.
Hey, teacher, you should do one.
Oh, Gianni. Alright. So we know 360 is all the way around. So
I would say like halfway, and then subtract 7.
What?
What?
Do it?
No.
that's 315.
How
It's 3:15.
Little high.
Yeah.
Dude, that's on the money. What I said.
Whoa! Come on, nice to get it. Nice job, sir. All right, last one. Oh my God, I didn't
One,
miss that.
one.
95
You're gonna get it exact.
degrees?
I have all customers.
Bro, it's 95 feet.
Seriously?
Right.
Oh my god.
Uh,
That's not even right there.
A little bit? There you go. Yeah.
That's it right there. Well, that's it right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Right there?
Yeah, press search.
No, you
No,
put.
that's
Wait, wait. Should we do it to the right?
Tip it a little bit. Like, you only like just click them out.
Like a tip to the left? Or?
Yeah, a little bit to the left. No, wait, whoa. That was nice. Alright, search it.
Wow! Bananas! Nice
Wait a minute, what did you get?
job.
Oh my
God. There you go.
87.
Alright, so if you found bananas, that's how much extra credit I'm going to ask you at your quiz on Friday. Oh! Alright, keep on getting that extra credit. And if you're like in the middle of limbo, work on that crypto and then put it up once I'm done talking. Alright? Here we go. Let's do some math. Alright. So, I give you 55 degrees. What is its complement? How did you do that? Exactly. 90 degrees minus the 55 degrees is 35. That's the complement. Right. P.S. That's how you show your work. Ah, there we go. Supplements. Yes, 118 minus 55 is 125 degrees. Be careful with your test questions / homework questions. Sometimes we'll ask for both the supplement and the complement. So it's 2 problems for 1. Yay! All right, here we go. Oh, geometry.
Oh, GG is on the paper.
It is on your paper. I can write notes. Here we go. Here we go. Here's where geometry and algebra come together. Right. For the first one, it says find the measure of each angle, but we also have variables to solve for. So you must set up an equation to solve for the variable. Ah! What's the first equation? Yeah, 2r plus 3r equals 90 degrees. Exactly, because I heard the 5r. Excellent. So 5r is 90 degrees. R is 18. R is 18 degrees. Exactly. But we don't stop there. No. Plug it in. Yeah. Everyone stops there. Everyone that makes a mistake stops there. Why? 2r, this is 2 times 18 is
36.
36. So if that's 36 degrees, and the other one has to be 54. It has to be 54 degrees. You can do the math or add this support, but it says it's 90. Eee. Yay. All right. Give me the equation for the next one.
7t plus 2t equals 180.
180. Very good. That's 9t, not 9. Equals 180. There we go. T is 20. It's 20, but you have to plug it in. Right. You just have to plug it into one of them. One of them. Which is the easiest one to plug in? 2t. So 2 times 20 is 40. Now, since it has to be 180, this has to be 143. Ah! Yay. Okay. All right. Here we go. Degrees, minutes, and seconds. All right. Focus on my backwards clock. All right. Here we go. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60 minutes. How many seconds are in 1 minute?
60.
60. All right. So if you think of degrees, minutes, and seconds, degrees is like the hours on the clock. So 1 hour, right? 1 degree will have 60 minutes. Yay?
Mhm.
How many seconds are in an hour?
1,200.
No.
Oh,
Let's
dude.
try.
I'm
Let's
gonna
start with
calculate.
a 3.
My calculator.
3,600. How did you get that, Nazara? 60 times 60.
I did that. I just
Right,
did the
yeah. So 1 hour has 60 minutes and 3,600 seconds, right? Or 3,600 seconds. All right. So here we go. How do we measure an angle? We measure it in degrees for now. Yeah. Right? Oh, the answer is in degrees. There are 360 degrees in the circle. A portion of a degree. A portion of a degree is right? A portion of a degree would be a minute, and a portion of a minute would be seconds. All right. Here we go. These are the best problems. When it comes to minutes, yeah. Okay. A minute is 1/60th of a degree. All right. With degrees, we write the little circle to say it's degree, right? If you're talking about minutes, you do this little quote. What's the one quote called?
Quotation.
Apostrophe! Hey, Logan! Hey! Yes. So 1 apostrophe is a minute, all right? It's 1/60th of a degree. So 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree, or 60 minutes is 1 degree. Just multiply 60 to the side. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. When it comes to seconds, and I don't have a touch screen because I'm not that smart. All right, here we go. There is a typo on your paper, I believe. Is it say minutes or seconds? Yes. Sorry. Here we go. Scratch that and write minutes. Where it says that part of the line. Okay. All right. The quote mark, not the apostrophe, right? The double line, right, would be seconds. So circle for degrees, apostrophe for minutes, and quote for seconds. Okay. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Therefore, as Ms. Zara said, there will be 3,600 seconds in a degree. So you just do 60 times 6 to get that. Right? Okay. All right. So again, there's 60 seconds in a minute, or 3,600 seconds equals 1 degree. So far, so good. Okay. That's the technical stuff. Now let's do some math. Okay. Ready? All right. Here we go. I know. It makes you religious. Math makes you religious. Here we go. When it comes to adding or subtracting, if you have degrees and minutes in one problem, you just line up to the degrees and minutes of the other problem. All right, and then you just add. So, for example, you need to rewrite this in column form. Like this. Line up the degrees. So 63 degrees and 52 minutes. Go right here. Line it up. That's it. All right. Okay. Now you just add like you were taught to add in times. Here we go. Start with the right hooks. 5 and 2 is 7 and 8. Okay, so it's 87 minutes.
All
Right?
Yeah.
And now at the degrees part, 8 plus 3 is 11.
right.
9. What is it?
91.
91 degrees and 87 minutes. But it's wrong. It's not wrong. It's just not technically the way we write it. What's wrong with 87 minutes?
It's not possible. It's only 6 hours and 7 minutes. I'm not 27 minutes.
You can take an hour out of that, right? If this is more than 60 right here, yeah. If this is more than 60, then subtract 60 minutes and move it to the degrees. Right? Here's the deal. We're just taking the 60 minutes right here. We're going to subtract it and move it over to the 91 because there's 60 minutes in 1 degree. So instead of 91 degrees, we have 92. So this is 92 degrees and 87 minus 68. Yes. 27 minutes. Okay? Okay. For minutes and seconds, anytime you go over 60, it has to transfer to the next spot. Does it make sense? Yes? Okay. There you go. Remember, you have to line up degrees, minutes, and seconds in order to do this stuff. In part B, the 180 does not have any
other minutes.
There's no minutes. So you could go 180 degrees and 0 minutes minus 117 degrees and 29 minutes. Problem is you cannot take away 29 from nothing. So in this case, you need to borrow a degree and change it to minutes. So instead of 180 degrees, take away 1 degree. So what is that? 179. So it's 179 and transfer that degree into minutes. So this would be 60 minutes. Just transfer some minutes over so you can then subtract. Yay. Okay, here we go. 60 minus 29. Yeah. This is 31 minutes. And then 179 minus 117, 62. So 62 degrees, 31. This is less than 60. That's it. All right. Here's the deal. You have approximately 30 minutes before lunch. Approximately 30 minutes before lunch. I want you to use this time to complete the assignment. So the only homework you should have tonight is to go over the expectations. All right. The skinny book over there is the Trig book. Go ahead and pick up a Trig book. And there you go. Do those problems when you're done. Turn it in with your name. Make sure you show me some work. All right. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. Whew. Aren't they nice and light? So light.
It was so weird. Usually during the summer, I'll
Yeah.
wake up around like noon.
Yeah.
So I wake up like 6:30. You know how cold that was?
You woke up at noon.
I wake up at noon.
What did
every
you?
day.
What time did you go to bed?
Probably 4.
4.
Yeah. Good day.
That's why it should be fun.
Cool.
If you can't finish this today, let me know, because I have a backup.
For volleyball.
Books.